Hi friends, welcome to my channel Simple Explanation. Today's video is about how does law of attraction work. Before starting, I would like to tell you that I am not a law of attraction coach. Secondly, what I discuss is the process from my personal experience which gave me results. So, here I would like to share my process. Subscribe to my channel if you like the way I explain. You might ask whether law of attraction works. Yes, it works for me. How? I'll tell you in this video. I have read multiple books over the last 10 years to understand how it works, as I have been manifesting a lot since childhood. So I was curious to know if there is a particular way I do things. Here, I'll be explaining to you the process that works for me using a simple example. The first step of the process is to write down what you want. Let's understand how to write down. What are the requirements to write? You need a pen, a pencil, or a marker, whatever you are comfortable with, and a writing book. Remember that it shouldn't be a book that you will throw soon. A book which has empty pages, a book which is lying around in your house. How do you write your wish? Write it in past tense. That means it has already happened. I will explain the process using a simple example like manifesting a cup of coffee. If you don't drink coffee, you can write tea, milk, juice, or something that you drink on a daily basis. We will be starting small so that you understand the process and then we can advance it to higher levels in the next few episodes. While writing your wish, you have to write it as though it has already happened, that is in the past tense. It should be I received coffee. Along with your wish, you also have to mention the date and time you want it. Be specific. The date should be a future date. Though your wish should be written in past tense, the date should be written in future. So if today is May 5th, 2020, you will be asking for the manifestation to occur on May 8th, 2020. Be very specific of the time. You can also add the place where you want to receive it. The second step is to visualize. Let's understand how to visualize. What you need to do in this step is to enact as if your wish is happening right now. Let's see how to do this. How to visualize. Step 1. Close your eyes and imagine you are sitting on sofa, chair or floor where you wish to manifest coffee. Do not imagine your face as you have to enact it happening now. Next, imagine you have received the coffee right now. You can also imagine someone giving it to you. You have received something you really craved for. How do you feel? Imagine holding the glass or cup of coffee in your hand. Then you are sipping the coffee. You can smell and taste the coffee. Yes, that's how you visualize. I'm sure you felt the coffee taste in your mouth while doing this, didn't you? Tell me in the comments. So what did you learn here? Visualization should be done as if you received it in the present moment. Feeling it with your senses is important. Feeling is energy. If you don't do it with feeling, you won't get it. The third step is to let go. What do you mean by let go? Let's see. Let go means not being attached or desperate about what you asked. Once you order food or household utensil from one of the famous shopping websites, do you sit and worry about when it will come? You know you have ordered it and it will come. You will get notified. You won't think about it day and night, right? Similarly, once you have placed the order, believe that you will get notified when it comes. Forget it completely and get busy with your life. Do what you love to do or anything that keeps your mind busy. Do not remind yourself that you have asked for something. Now, keep a reminder on your phone on May 9th at 7 pm. This will remind you to check if you have manifested this on May 8th. One more tip. Recall what you do when you browse through shopping websites. Don't you feel good imagining the item which you have chosen? Imagining wearing it or using it when it comes to you? Yes, that's how you actually visualize. Do come back and tell me about it in the comments once you manifest. It's important to start small because you won't be very attached to the coffee and you won't be very frustrated if you don't get it. So let's see if you can manifest this. That's all for today. Subscribe to my channel if you like this explanation. I will try to explain it in more detail in the next episode. Do like this video and share it if you feel it is relevant to anybody. Thank you.